Crazy. What's the name of the machine?
It's called Rico.
Fucking crazy.
DTG and DTF printing. He goes, we gotta take off these rails, and then she goes, oh yeah, we need to recock them.
Sounds like a job for the right man.
We'll use this for like 2 years, and then we'll go buy a brand new one. Up to this is good, right?
This is the one, I'm telling you, bro.
How much is this one?
It's 41.
41,000. You guys like candy?
There's somebody working in one too.
The Pro Master.
Yeah, you see, these vans look nice.
That one comes with the light in the middle.
Let's see how much it is.
And the screen is nicer, see?
YG. Getting back, stupid. YG, yeah.
Hey, niggas get shot every day.
Here's running down.
We're gonna make the plate large so you guys can see.
This guy just printed out the team, the hardest shirts I ever seen in my life. Bro, they're fire.
The VVS diamonds, you know?
Ooh, ugly.
Excuse me. Are all these vans for sale here? Yeah, bro. So basic in the front.
But that's what the magic of the customized is, though, right? Because you're saying it's basic, so you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it AZ
First thing we're
Customz.
doing is gonna put starlights right there.
Let's see how this looks.
Right. Make your world shine tonight. Oh.
For real. It's pretty nice.
Look, right here we can promote all the things we do. Right here we can promote the mobile detailing. You know what I mean? Huh? And another 1,000 right here. Another 500 right here damage. Nah, I'm just kidding. Just let it
Let it sit there for a little bit.
I ain't hit you bad, I'm locked in. 50 on my wrist, about 100 on this bitch.
Oh, he has it.
Is it charging?
Looks like it.
Few moments later.
Alright, so he finally got the car on. He just had to be a little more patient to the charge. And that's all we needed. And now we got the bad boy going. AZ Customz got the brand new shirt. He's about to pull out the baby. Come on. Hey.
Hey, bitch, that done out of my name. Paid, I keep paying. 18, you crazy. Paid. Bitch, that done out of my name. Paid, I keep paying. Bitch, that done out of my name. Paid, I keep paying. Then keep pouring up and I look couple, we just payroll. Them suckers talking tough when he got Glock, put that on. Hey, love my brother, tryna drive 50 like I'm airborne. My name is Brady, if you ain't talking money, then it's not a pouring. I feel like baby need my pockets fat, niggas sound like Normie. Niggas pillow talking to a bitch, niggas turning it for me. I'm making plays like Ty Lue, cause ay, I'm making plays like Ty Lue, sucker said he's scoring. Ay, put him on a bench, he G League, huh? Ay, put him on a bench, he G League, call him TJ Warren. Yeah, call him TJ Warren. Hey, drive on this bitch, drive on this bitch, nigga. Yeah, huh? Let's get it. Ay.
So guys, you guys see what we do at AZ Customz. You guys saw the projects that are coming up. Stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. Shout out to AZ Most Wanted for all the videos. We're gonna make it consistent. Stay tuned.
Yeah. So we're going to the
Next spot.
next spot. Ford.
CBE boys, I made their logo. Made this company's logo. Keep it P, keep it player, get the paper bag chaser. Pretty girls love cars, fast cars. The Simpsons. Let's see.
Yeah, now you got some.
Need money for car parts.
Oh, look, this shirt just came out.
We'll just dry it for like 30 seconds. Cover it. And then we got the humidifier as well, because got a pretty quality.
Huh.
Oh, that's your shirt.
Oh, this is the camera's man shirt. Precision. It's all about the momentum, the speed.
Need money for truck parts.
I love that. That logo was fire.
Anti-Social Moms Club. Messy. Thug Life.
Oh, go back.
Thug
Go.
Life.
Oh, wait, let me find out you're the guy making those shirts, bro.
Yeah.
No way.
Alright, so here's the front. That's what the front's gonna look like.
This is how the front looks now.
And then the sides.
That's how the side's gonna look now. And that's how it looks now. And by the way, guys, if you saw that, if you need to get your car custom with wraps, as you can see, he can kind of have it ready for you, like a preview.
Design, print, and install. Ready to go. One-stop shop.
Yep. And he can show you kind of like an idea on how it's gonna look. Obviously, you know, you guys get a better idea than just like, yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Like, I don't think I've seen a customized page or anybody that can show you a final product like that. Like an almost final product.
Yeah, like he has to approve it before I even print it.
Right,
So
exactly.
right now I'm designing the car. We're doing the graphics. Send them pictures, Photoshop, you know?
Cool.
Boom. Check it out. Is this what you wanted, Joe? You got this?
This goes on the YouTube page.
You got this?
Yeah.
All right, it's a pretty big truck.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
I used to have a black one.
Really? A 250?
Yeah, an F-250. A 6.7.
That's what I want.
This one was the one that they liked. Because it was kind of ready already with the lights and everything. Like, look at this.
I take everything out, put everything inside the van, and then sell this trailer. The trailer, but first we're gonna go buy a van, a black one, and then we're gonna wrap it. And so we have like a big billboard and do the mobile detailing.
Over here.
Friday night, I don't got no clothes. I'll make me a shirt real quick for the
Hey,
night.
wait, yeah, for real. Wakes up, makes a new pajama over here.
Bro, that shit looks perfect.
This guy should have never gave AZ Customz the sauce, man. This guy's. I'm just kidding.
Bro, we've been making clothes like this when we little.
See, that's why I love it.
This is what my girl likes.
YG. Getting back. Look. YG, yeah.
Hey, niggas get shot every day.
So we got a 2016 Challenger. We're gonna make it wide body, but the last people that did this did bad work. So we're gonna fill these in. Back bumper needs new brackets on this side. I'm putting like a side kit that we're painting. Some of the cars here I work with is because the paint booth's here. Obviously, I don't got a paint booth, so I team up with my boy here.
Let's do
And
it.
then right here we got the, we do insurance jobs too. So if you guys are in a wreck and you need a check, hit me up.
Don't call Rafi, he says.
Nah,
He said, call this man.
call me.
You guys see the shirt? repairs, design, build.
And then we got this 2017 Escalade. We're gonna put a new bumper. We're gonna black it out, paint all the chrome on it. It's gonna be all murdered out.
Okay. You only working on the front on this one?
Yeah, front. But we're gonna repaint the roof, and then we're gonna powder coat all 4 wheels gloss flat.
Nice. Yeah, we're going back to headquarters.